Morning, students. Today we will do a new chapter, that is The Thief's Story, written by Ruskin Bond. Now, probably you all have heard about Ruskin Bond, right? He was an Indian author of British descent, and he lived in Missouri, India, and he had written many short stories about India. Okay, he has won Padma Bhushan as well as Padma Shri Award, and he is one of the finest short story writer of India. This story is about a 15-year-old boy who is the narrator of the story, and he is a thief. He changes his name wherever he goes so that he is not caught. And there is another man who is a 25 years old man named Anil, and he is a very decent, simple, and honest man. Okay, so we will come to see how they encounter each other, and how, due to Anil, this so-called Hari Singh, okay, the thief gives himself a name when he meets Anil, a fake name, Hari Singh, and how he changes after he meets Anil. Okay, so let's start the chapter. See, I was still a thief. See the first line. So here I is of course the thief we are talking about, the 15-year-old boy. Okay, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Means he was a pretty good thief, pretty experienced one. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. So this is the first encounter which he had with Anil. Okay, here Anil was watching a wrestling match. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow. Lean means thin, and he looked easygoing, means kind of very simple kind of man. Okay, you can easily talk to that kind of person easily. Okay, kind and simple enough for my purpose. Now what is his purpose? Of course, stealing something from him. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. So he's thinking that maybe this is a very simple kind of man, and to gain his confidence, it won't be a difficult task. So, Anil was his prey this time. Okay, victim, next victim. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. Again, please remember, I is the thief, the narrator. A little flattery helps in making friends. Flattery means, excessive and insincere praise. Okay, दिल से किया हुआ तारीफ नहीं होता. It's kind of chamchagiri kind of. Okay, so now he's trying to flatter Anil. Why? Because if you praise someone, then that person will also be interested to talk to you. So that's why he's flattering. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Anil also replied the same way, that you also look like a wrestler, and the thief was confused because he was actually very thin that time. Well, I said modestly. Modestly means without any arrogance. I do wrestle a bit. What's your name? Hari Singh. I lied. I lied because he is faking that name, right? I took a new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. Former employer means previous employers, whomever he has already robbed. So that's why changing names helps him, okay, or else he would get caught easily. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting, and throwing each other about. So the conversation it continued, and Anil was talking about the wrestlers. Well-oiled means their body was oiled, and they were grunting. Grunting means making a low sound out of anger or pain, you can say. So the wrestlers were lifting each other, throwing each other, and all that. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually, and Anil, after that conversation, Anil was walking away from him, and he followed him. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appealing smile, attractive smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. Means Anil was not a very rich boy. Okay, he was having mere jobs. Okay, he was not very consistent also in his jobs. So he is saying that I will not be able to pay you. Okay, I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. I asked, Can you feed me? Now the thief is asking, okay, if you are not able to pay me, so will you be able to feed me? Misjudged means forming a wrong opinion or conclusion about something. Can you cook? I can cook, I lied again. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. Now Anil is giving a very, fair deal that okay, if you can cook your own food, then I'll be able to feed you. ये कुछ तो काम करोगे ना, then I will give you food, right? He took me to his room over the Jumna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog. Means obviously Hari Singh means this thief. He was not able to. He was not a good cook. He could not able cook only anything. So when he cooked that night, Anil threw that food to a stray dog, and he understood that he is a terrible cook and told me to be off, means to go away. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. Means, very innocent, attractive kind of smile that 15-year boy is giving Anil. And of course, Anil is, a very modest man, so he is okay, chalo, theek hai, no problem. Later, he patted me on the head and said, never mind. Patted is actually used for dogs. Okay, we pat dogs. So, patting means, touch quickly and gently with the touch of hand. Okay, so that. Okay, never mind. He would teach me to cook. Anil said to Hari Singh that, okay, never mind, I will teach you to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. Means he would start teaching him. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. Now this boy, he is thinking about again theft. Okay, he is thinking that if I will be able to write and read, then I could do anything. I could, I will be the best thief in this world. So his intention was that, and Anil's intention was very, very pure. He wanted to teach this child. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, means grocery and all, usually making a profit of about a rupee a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. So whenever this thief, this Hari Singh person, he used to go out to buy groceries and stuff. He used to take 1 rupee every day, and he knew that Anil also knew this. But Anil, he was a very careless kind of person, and he did not mind also. Okay, take that kind of a man. Anil made money by fits and starts. Now, fits and start means when someone is not working on something consistently, job change karte रहना. Okay. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. Means कभी उधार देता था, कभी borrow करता था. So all that. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. Means, this character is like me actually. Whenever I get my salary, it's like I'll celebrate with my friends, that kind of. And I'm hardly bothered about how much I'm getting or not. It's just like me only, the situation. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. So Hari Singh, though he was a illiterate person, but he understood one thing, that this person, he writes for magazine or something. Means he's a writer. Okay. Queer means what? Queer means strange or odd. Okay. So he, according to him, ये कैसा काम है magazine के लिए लिखना? It's a odd kind of job. And paycheck आना ना आना, कोई किसी चीज़ का भरोसा नहीं है. How can he rely on such a kind of job like that? So Hari Singh was thinking like that. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. Tuck means fold or push or turn, you can say. It's keeping the money like inside the bed. So he one night Anil came and he said that I have made some money as I have sold a book to a publisher. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. Means only he used to take that 1 rupee, and other than that he did not take any money. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased, means as I wanted. He was the most trusting person I had ever met, and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. Now, this thief is saying that, if a man is greedy, then uska paisa chori karne mein there is a kick, okay? But if a man is like Anil, such a careless person, so it did not give him any pleasure stealing from such a kind of man. So this is his philosophy about stealing. Well, it's time I did some real work, I told myself. I am out of practice. Out of practice? Kisse out of practice? Chori se, from theft, okay? And if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. So now Hari Singh made up his mind that, okay, now I am going to do a real work here, and I am going to steal this money which he has brought. Okay, so I will continue this chapter tomorrow, and question answers I will discuss tomorrow. See the video properly, and if you have any doubts, please tell me. I'll be sending you success CDS notes also. From there you can write the hard words, okay? And themes also are given there very nicely. That site is very great, so you can take help from there. Okay, thank you.